Okay, so today's Monday, December 2nd, and this is the first half of the storm. It's just rainy and drizzling out right now. I don't even think the snowblower can handle this and throw it a foot. Just have to move it with the shovel. You can see where I had some barrels there. And then as soon as you move it, the ground's still kind of warm, so it melts. But tonight into tomorrow morning, we're going to get another possible 4 to 6 inches. I don't know if it's going to be the wet stuff or I might be using the snowblower then, but I'm just going to push the snow aside with the shovel. So this is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching. Okay, here comes round two. I just seen a weather update, and there's a chance of 6 to 9 inches between, I think they said 5 to 11 tomorrow. It's going to be the heaviest snow. But it's getting cold again, and it's snowing a little bit. So all this slush is going to turn to ice. Once we get on the other side of the low, and it brings in the cold air. So 6 to 9 inches on top of this slush. I don't know, it could be about 2 to 3 inches of wet snow that we received. So I'll find out tomorrow how much additional snow we're going to be getting. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's Tuesday, December 3rd. And I think we got about another 2 hours of snow left. I think we have about 4 to 6 inches, which they were predicting. Changed overnight. But yeah, I gotta get out, and hopefully the snowblower will move this, and it's gonna freeze up after. So might as well get started. All right, let's see what we have here. Maybe 4 inches. Nope, 5. So we might get, I don't know, if we get an inch in the next 2 hours. It's coming down kind of light. Let me get this snowblower started.